Hello, and welcome to some other replace video, approximately XRP. We are currently on the bigger time frame for XRP, and we're going to test the chart from an Elliott wave factor view. Elliott wave is a completely famous approach of market structure evaluation, which lets in us to understand the marketplace sentiment. And it enables us apprehend which wave of sentiment we're in, as well as contributes more to the relative wave factor of view. It enables us apprehend which wave of sentiment we're in, starting with reflection. There are distinct ones, they all relate lower back to fear and greed, and with Elliott wave we will get a few form of a mathematical illustration of this. We use Fibonacci guide levels, Fibonacci target regions, which permit us to understand wherein the markets should turn, and there are sure roadmaps right here at the chart, which allow us to apprehend, where the market may visit. But additionally, when the market will probably flow from one scenario into any other one. Due to the fact, if the marketplace cannot hold a sure area of marketplace sentiment that's visualized by means of the Fibonacci regions, well, then we are probably entering into a specific roadmap, okay? Now, there may be no way of actually predicting exactly if the marketplace will adhere to a certain roadmap that stretches a perpendicular librarium, etc. But it doesn't matter much. It's so important because if a roadmap, but it's all primarily based on chances, so that is all we're given, you recognize, and possibilities are dynamic. However, it is a completely helpful device which lets in us to apprehend the concept of reward and threat as nicely. Now, in this chart, as an instance, to give you an example, back in August, June, July, August, we had a help location down right here, a trading region, a goal vicinity, where we had been looking for response from the charge. Now the rate turned into dancing on this assist vicinity for a long term, and then in the end took off. It every now and then takes a while. Specifically, XRP hasn't without a doubt been moving in very impulsive structures. It's been shifting, specially in corrective systems, sideways oriented. Now, why do I say this? Because we're currently additionally shifting in a sideways variety. And the problem is, though, that at the time, right here, lower back in July, August ultimate year, the market truly become in a pleasant pullback, and there was a completely favorable praise to risk ratio because we desired to see the fee get into this area around $1.60 or so. And the charts even pushed a little better, broke out to the upside. We didn't rule out, but we first needed to see it for you to recognize if the marketplace can certainly smash above resistance and liberate charges within the 5 place. Now that the price has carried out that, obviously, we are able to see that the marketplace is positioning itself above the inexperienced line, above the previous breakout point that is doubtlessly bullish. And I see here capability extra 4-5 pattern, which means that wave 4 is the correction after which one extra high in a wave 5 may be a touch better than that, but that might then be the blue state of affairs inside the yellow situation, and we'd best take it degree by using level for now. We ought to see one greater high, okay? And that might take us to all-time highs, new all-time highs, likely even to the $5 stage. Now take a look at the shorter time frame. On the shorter time frame XRP chart, the price, and also you see right here this triangle, the price has formed an Elliott wave triangle pattern, and it is technically complete. We have an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. And those styles typically consist of 5 waves, so A, B, C, D, E. And that doesn't imply that the triangle is entire, it is technically whole. Because of this, the minimal necessities are whole. This is now in which we are watching for response to the upside. And to be sincere, we've seen one already. Quite a massive one given that the entire marketplace is down. XRP is retaining up pretty well. We have this guide area here between $2 and $4, and $2.23, those are those Fibonacci regions which provide aid. And you may see how well the market reacted to this. They're changed into a small cluster of guide right here. Stages $2.21, $2.23. And you realize there has been a reaction, but will we have a breakout to the upside? Barren thoughts, if this surely is a way forward, then we really need to see a breakout to the upside at some point. If the assumption is accurate, there is an invalidation factor, so that you can invalidate the cutting-edge assumption. And that degree is at $1.96, which is the preceding upside breakout factor that the price took out, and the rate broke out above it in December, early December. So now we are holding above support, and we're just expecting an upside breakout sign. Now, I advised you about the invalidation factor. However, what will be the confirmation point? Whilst are we able to say that we are really likely attacking the best ever highs? 1000%, said Steve. Well, first of all, we want to break above the primary inexperienced line at $2.50, observed by using a break above the subsequent excessive at $2.72. These are the 2 degrees that now want to be damaged by means of the price. At the moment, even though the response to aid isn't yet very impulsive, it's specially corrective and could see one greater low perhaps earlier than simply attempting every other rally. So this is the replace, approximately XRP. Hope you prefer the replace. If you probably did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And in case you without a doubt just like the content, then please test out the channel membership. Thanks lots for watching. Bye-bye.